Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. Now, today's video ay para sa inyo mga Capricorn. Kung anong mga naghihintay para ngayong 2025 sa mga Capricorn. So, malapit na ang bagong taon, Capricorn. Yes, so excited ka na ba Capricorn sa mga dapat mong malaman para ngayong 2025? Kaya tutok na Capricorn. So, Capricorn paalala, this is not for everybody. Kaya take what is resonant for you, okay? Yes, so maraming salamat din sa mga nagsuporta sa aking channel, okay? Yes, highly appreciated Capricorn. So, kung ikaw ay bago, huwag kalimutan, no? Mag-subscribe na Capricorn para laging updated sa mga videos na ating i-upload. So, Universe, what is your message for Capricorn ngayong 2025? So, Capricorn, take what is resonate, alright? This is not for everybody, okay? Capricorn. Oh, some of mga Capricorn ay namimiss yun na ang iyong pamilya. Some of you ay namimiss mo na ang caring ng iyong nanay at tatay, no? Ngayong 2025, namimiss mo ang iyong mga magulang, no? Something. Or kung ikaw ay may asawa na, namimiss mo ang iyong mga anak. Some of you ay may ex dito na babalik sa buhay mo, Capricorn, ngayong 2025. Capricorn, may malaking desisyon na gagampanan mo ngayong 2025. Victorious kung ano ang iyong mga ninanais ngayong 2025. You win the battle, Capricorn. Makukuha mo kung anong gusto mo ngayong 2025. So, some of you ay malampasan mo ang iyong mga pagsubok sa buhay, Capricorn. Kung ikaw ay 2024 ay medyo mahina ang ating source of income, ating relationship or whatever, but now, ngayong 2025, Capricorn, you overcome the difficulties sa buhay mo, Capricorn. Okay. So, some mga Capricorn ay brave and hero. You are the hero of your friends and family ngayong 2025, Capricorn. So, success in life ang mga Capricorn din. Some of you ay may mga bagong plano, bagong idea. Some of you ay may new project ngayong 2025. So, some of you din ay may nagawang tama na desisyon ngayong 2025 Capricorn. Yes, victorious din ang mga Capricorn. So, you have the three cards here, Capricorn, na victory. Kaya, this is confirmation, no? Yes. The Chariot is victorious also. The Ace of Swords is victorious also. So, you have the Five of Swords. This is also victorious. Kaya, some of you ay marami ng pagsubok sa buhay. Marami ng bagyong dumarating sa mga Capricorn. But nakatayo pa rin ang mga Capricorn. Yes, that's why you are the great warrior Capricorn. Ngayong 2025, you are brave and hero. So, some of you ay makilala si Sikat ngayong 2025. Some of you ay makilala ang iyong pangalan. Some of you ay you are the center of attraction ngayong 2025. Hindi magsimula ang kasiyahan kung hindi ka makarating Capricorn. Some of you ay mga healer. You can heal sa mga taong broken-hearted, sensitive, no? Nang dahil sa iyong talento, Capricorn. No? Some of you ay gumagawa ng mga videos, kaya nakikita ng ating mga kabayan. No? Sa ang iyong mga ginagawa. Kumbaga nasisiyahan sila, Capricorn, sa iyong mga videos na ginagawa, Capricorn. Alright. Yes. So, justice is with you. Panig sa iyo ang universe. Kumbaga, makukuha mo lahat ang gusto mo, Capricorn, ngayong 2025. At balance din ang iyong energy ngayong 2025, Capricorn. Some of you kung anong yung may mga kaso ba or whatever kung ano man yan, no? Yes, so panig sa iyo ang universe. Kumbaga, justice is with you, Capricorn. Alright. Makukuha mo. So, yeah, may mga, kung ano man yung mga kaso na yan, whatever, makukuha mo ang hustisya ngayong 2025, Capricorn. Alright. So, may mga tao dito gusto kang matrap, ma-stop ang iyong pag-grow. Kaya use protection, but you are protected, Capricorn. You are also brave and hero. You are also the great warrior. Kaya nobody can attack you, Capricorn. Okay? Yes. Oh, God our Father is with you, that's why, Capricorn. Kung pag-uusapan natin ang spiritual world, Capricorn. Alright. Kung pag-uusapan naman natin ang Earth, this is Father figure, Capricorn, na handa kang tulungan. Yes, God our Father is with you, Capricorn. So, you have the Nine of Wands, Capricorn. Maraming mata nakatingin at maraming gumagaya sa mga Capricorn. Or Capricorn, huwag magkakadayong mag-isa, no? Dahil may mga taong masamang tingin sa mga Capricorn. Or may mga taong gayahin ang iyong yapak, Capricorn. Okay. So, makilala din ang mga Capricorn ngayong 2025. Madidiscover ang iyong boss, Capricorn, kung gaano ka ka-hard worker or ka-focus sa trabaho, Capricorn, ngayong 2025. Some of you ay maparangalan ng inyong boss, Capricorn. So, makukuha mo, Capricorn, kung anong gusto mo, material man o financial ngayong 2025, okay? Yes, so may mga maraming opportunities din, Capricorn, na dadarating sa inyo ngayong 2025. Kaya choose wisely sa mga offer na ito, Capricorn, alright? Yeah, so you have the Ten of Pentacles. So this is money, 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 Capricorn. Some of you ay makatanggap ng malaking pera, manalo ng loto, whatever. Oh my goodness, si Miming. Alright. Ming, get off. Oh my kulay, get off, my dear baby. You are not allowed here. So yes. Okay. Mga opportunities na paparating ngayong 2025, Capricorn. You have the Ten of Pentacles, money, money, money. So, some of you makatanggap ng malaking pera ngayong 2025. Okay. Yes. Retirement money, inheritance money, property money, whatever pa naman yan. So, some of you ay proud na proud din sa mga nangyayari sa buhay mo ngayong 2025, Capricorn. Some of you ay makabili ng malaking bahay ngayong 2025, no? Yes. So, some of you din ay mahilig sa mga hayop, no? Some of you. Pet lovers. Yes. So, yeah. So, Five of Cups. May mga offer na tinalikuran mo, Capricorn. Or lingon-lingon din minsan, Capricorn, sa ating mga mahal sa buhay. Baka may nasaktan na, no? Sa ating mga, oh my gulay. Go down. Oh my, how I will finish. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Get up, get up. Get up now. Go to outside now. See? Hi, hi, hi. Oh my god. Go outside, go outside. Go outside now. Go. Go ahead. Go now, go. Huh? What? Capricorn, Capricorn. Miming is here. Okay. So, may mga makilala na talento sa mga Capricorn ngayong 2025 din. Okay. So, Capricorn, be careful. Hiding enemies is here. Okay, Capricorn. So, prosperity, wealthy, and abundance din ang mga Capricorn ngayong 2025. Okay, kung ikaw ay mother, you are a good model as a mother, Capricorn, ngayong 2025. Yes. So, rebirth, bagong pagkatao ang mga Capricorn ngayong 2025. May paparating sa mga Capricorn ngayong 2025 at puno ng kasiyahan at family bonding ngayong 2025 din. Some of you ay may kakasal ngayong 2025. Okay, ancestor is with you, Capricorn, guiding you, protecting you. May mga offer na medyo nag-atubili kang tanggapin. Yes. So, some of you ay nagbabalak magkakaroon ng negosyo. Oh, yes. Some of you ay gustong mag-OFW ngayong 2025. Some of you makabili ng bahay at lupa. Some of you ay kakasal ngayong 2025 o ikaw ay single. Alright, some of you ay family bonding ngayong 2025. Victorious ang mga Capricorn din ngayong 2025. Born to be a CEO. Some of you ay makatanggap ng plataforma, certification, award, something like that ngayong 2025. Capricorn. Okay. So, be careful to spend money ngayong 2025. Okay. So, may malaking responsibilidad ka rin ngayong 2025, Capricorn. Okay. You have ability also as a leader ngayong 2025. Okay. Okay, so Miming. Yeah, so the ship is on the way kung ano man yung mga hinihintay mo ay paparating na Capricorn ngayong 2025. Alright. May maghingi ng tulong ngayong 2025, may mga offer, may mga backbiter friends din Capricorn. Kaya, ah, wag masyadong magtiwala sa ating mga nakapaligid sa atin. Okay, Capricorn. Dahil mabait lamang pag nakaharap mo, pero pag talikod, So, be careful din, Capricorn, no? Yes. Baka maagaw pa ang iyong mga idea, mga plano. You have a new project here also. Kaya, keep it yourself kung anong meron ka ngayong 2025, no? Yeah. So, may big transformation. Biglaan ng lipat ng bahay ba? Trabaho ba? Or, what are you doing? Okay. So, bigla ang lipat ba ng country, something, ngayong 2025. So, depensahan mo yung sarili, no? Dahil may mga backfighter friends. So, medyo emotional din ang mga Capricorn ngayong 2025. Sama mga Capricorn ay makatanggap ng award, no? Yes. Alright, ngayong 2025. So, Capricorn, take back your power kung sino ka man, okay? Huwag kalimutan kung sino ka man, Capricorn. Yes, okay, bye, man. So, you are very close ng ating Archangel Capricorn. Okay, you are very close ng ating Archangel Michael. At you are very close also ng ating mga ancestors at ng ating mga angels guide Capricorn. Yes. So, some of you ay may mga kontrata na paparating din. No? So, this is confirmation also. Dahil dalawang bara na ito ang kontrata na paparating sa mga Capricorn. Okay. So, Capricorn, he is working on your challenges. So, let it go of your stress and trust God. If you can see 444, this is healing, blessings, miracles, and favor are headed to your house. Claim it and receive it, Capricorn. Alright. So, you survived the impossible. Hold your head up high. Your best days are ahead of you. Don't give up, Capricorn. Alright. So you are magnetic, Capricorn. You have a gift of courage. You learn your mistake ngayong 2025. Kaya ang success ay makukuha mo, no? Dahil may natutunan ka sa mga mistake mo sa buhay. Admiring your work. Oh, this is confirmation also, no? Na may naka-admire sa iyong work, Capricorn. After 1 month. Love yourself, Capricorn. Maaga matulog. Eat healthy food. Okay. Big rewards sa mga Capricorn ngayong 2025. All the angels in heaven is supporting to you, Capricorn. You are a rider. You love riding motorcycle also, Capricorn. You're going to be rich ngayong 2025. Your heart is pure, Capricorn. Leave no longer serve you, Capricorn. So, this is also confirmation. May baraha dito na you live no longer serve you. Mga taong hindi deserve sa buhay mo. Mga taong sakit. You're planning to buy a car, Capricorn, ngayong 2025. Eyes on you. Of course, kung ikaw ba naman ay may bagong sasakyan, of course, eyes on you. Right? Yes. So, after 2 weeks, 3 weeks, they want you to be trapped, Capricorn. You are the starlight. Important email may paparating sa inyo. You are protected. viral idea ngayong 2025, Capricorn. Sister-in-law is jealous of you. You're doing with purpose. Works with crystals. Kaya use protection like bracelet ng mga crystals, something like that. It's time to change your life, Capricorn. Fame, you become famous. Big opportunity ngayong 2025 din. Divine protection. You are the golden child of God, Capricorn, ngayong 2025. Evil doesn't exist. Jesus Christ love you so much, Capricorn. Yes, if you remember this card, this is very close ng ating Panginoon. Yes, you are very religious, Capricorn. Kaya, mahal ka rin ng ating Panginoon. It's time to change your life, Capricorn. Family members is jealous. Whatever you do, it will prosper, Capricorn. If you can see 222 alignment, you are in the right place and in the right time, Capricorn. Family members, everybody loves you, Capricorn. Yes, evil doesn't exist. You have a lots of admirer also, Capricorn. Okay. Yes. So a financial miracle is happening ngayong 2025. You are the golden child of God. Again, it's coming out. So this is confirmation. You have a lots of admirer. OMG, my card is coming out and again. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. So big opportunity again is coming out. What is this? 999. This means there will be closure to clear and fulfilling things. Focus your energy on new beginning. So mag-focus ka ngayong bagong buhay mo, Capricorn. Huwag mag-focus sa past na, okay? Yes, so if you can see 77, this means wealthy is on the way para sa inyo mga Capricorn. If you can see 77 again, you are following advice from your angel. You're on the right path to achieving your goals and success, Capricorn. Don't forget to call my name, my child, in times of troubles. Alright, so your prayer is answered ngayong 2025. Kung anong mga dasal mo dyan, Capricorn, you are the first millionaire of your family, Capricorn, ngayong 2025. Something great will happen for you this coming 2025, Capricorn. The entire universe is working behind the scenes to surprise you in the most beautiful and unexpected ways, Capricorn. So that's all for this coming 2025, Capricorn. Huwag kalimutan mag-comment at huwag kalimutan ding i-share ang video nito. Sharing is caring. So see you next. Bye-bye.